Melanie here. So this weekend at the camp out, we did a do-it-yourself roller ball, pine scented roller ball. And some of you were asking, you know, what are the oils? And so I just wanted to let everybody know what the oil was that we used and to just do a little tutorial for those who weren't there for the camp out. So the oil that we used was the V6. It's a vegetable oil complex and it's provided by Young Living. And so some of the oils that are in it, because people were asking that, it's a great massage oil blend. And there is, let me see here, vegetable oil complex. So it's got sesame seed oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, wheat germ oil, sunflower seed oil, and olive fruit oil. So that's the V6. And so to make the roller ball, I ordered these off of Amazon, so I can share the link if anybody wants the link, but they have some cute roller ball packages that you can get. These ones were frosted. So what we did at the camp out is we filled up the rollers with the V6 oil. So let me just do that for you. And we filled them maybe a third to the half full, so just a little bit of oil. Good. And then for the project that we did, we used the pine scented oil, but you can use whatever oils you want. And we added about 7 to 10 drops of the pine oil. Let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's the pine. And I have some extra oils, and I think I'm gonna add lavender and lemon to this one. So let me find the lavender. There's the lavender. There's lots of great benefits to having lavender, and lemon in your lives. I can share that in the links. There's lemon. And I'm just doing 2 or 3 drops of each one, and then it gets diffused into the oil, and then you can use it to rub into your feet. You can rub it on your legs. All right. Oops. There's the roller ball. And we're gonna squish that in. I might have to dump it upside down. There you go, snaps in. And then just roll it around. Another great thing to do, you just roll it into the palm of your hand and then rub it together and then just smell. And you can bring the forest home, which is what I love. You know me, I love the forest. All right, happy forest bathing. Hope to see you all hiking soon. Have a good day.